Uniting teams with unifiers, the glue of great teams. Welcome back. In my last video, the part 1, I discussed how to effectively communicate with achievers, organizers, and innovators, right? So in this video, I want to focus on unifiers. Okay, I call them the glue of every great team. And that glue holds teams together because unifiers specially work with teams and then across the organization to unify situations. These people excel in creating agreement and collaborative environment. So let's dive into how you can support and leverage this essential personality type in your organization to enhance team engagement and effectiveness. And here is the question: how can you identify and communicate with unifiers effectively? Okay, please pay attention to this. Unifiers are experts in relationships because they prioritize relationships. They focus on working and making sure that people connect and collaborate together. See, unifiers, they are very much focused when it comes to empathetic and inclusive language. And that is how you can speak their language, because it resonates with their values. And as a manager or an executive in an organization, it is crucial to recognize and utilize unifiers' natural ability in resolving issues and position them to lead initiatives that enhance team spirits and cooperation, emphasizing on the idea of their strengths. So how can you leverage unifiers in leadership? Wow, this is an interesting thing I usually share with leaders, because in leadership roles, unifiers can dramatically improve team dynamics and ensure a supportive environment. Why? Because they are specially skilled in navigating conflict and advancing the environment where all voices are heard and valued. I usually encourage leaders to empower unifiers by entrusting them with roles that involve conflict resolution and team engagement activities. Providing training in areas like emotional intelligence and communication for these people can further enhance their effectiveness, aligning with this true adage I love, that a single arrow is easily broken, but not 10 in a bundle. Here is one thing you should always remember. Unifiers play a vital role in maintaining a positive, collaborative work environment. So by understanding and implementing effective communication strategies with unifiers, you can harness the potential to foster a culture of collaboration and respect within the team. This not only boosts motivation, okay, but also drives collective success. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. And remember that the act of communication is the language of leadership. Please like, share with your friends, and share your own personal experiences with unifiers. Okay, subscribe for more insight. Let's keep building stronger teams together. And remember to visit our website to learn more about change leadership model. Thank you once again, and bye for now.